My name is Travis Miller. I'm a lawyer here at Travis Miller Attorney at Law. I grew up just right down the road in Lumberport, West Virginia, probably about 10 minutes from here. Today I'm sitting here on Main Street in Bridgeport. So I definitely consider myself a Harrison County guy. I don't represent gas companies, I don't represent drilling companies, I don't represent coal companies, I don't represent insurance companies. What I do is I help my friends and neighbors and the folks here in this community and all around me. That's who I represent. One of the things that I think sets this firm apart from a lot of folks who dabble in Social Security claims is that we have a focus. We have a commitment to doing those types of claims. And sometimes Social Security can be pretty stubborn and they can deny you and deny you and deny you. Well, we can be just as stubborn. We will not hesitate to file a claim in federal court, which is essentially filing a lawsuit against the Social Security Administration for wrongfully denying claims. And if that's what we have to do, that's what we'll do. There are a lot of personal injury attorneys out there. But the difference between those firms and our firm is personal service. But we limit the number of cases that we take. We limit it so that we're able to devote the time and the effort that we need to each case. One of the main things that we do are cases involving distracted driving. Those cases generally revolve around cell phone use, texting, eating in the car, and oftentimes driving under the influence. So I remember very well sitting on my grandfather's porch and him telling these stories about getting paid in script. Somehow registered in my mind that he couldn't take that script and he couldn't go wherever he wanted to. There was this process that was going on in my mind, even as a child, to say, there's something not right. It planted that seed that, hey, there are folks out here that are trying to do things that involve legal issues and they need help. People ask me what ultra running is. Ultra running is anything that's over a marathon distance. When you're running 20 to 40 miles, that gets difficult and you want to stop, but you can't. You can't run 35 miles of a 40-mile race and stop. There's no way I'm not going to finish. I think that ties over to practicing law. We can't get to a point in a case where it's difficult and just quit. I've been in the outdoors my entire life. I've been hunting and fishing with my family as far back as I can remember. One of the advantages that being outdoors hunting and fishing has given me as I've continued my practice as a lawyer is simply being able to relate to my clients. If you've grown up hunting or fishing with your family, and all of a sudden that's taken away from you due to no fault of your own because of a car wreck or because somebody was cutting safety corners at work, I understand. I can relate to that. I know how important that is to you. It's not hard to get up every day and come in and do what I do because I'm helping my friends and family right here in this community. I help the people that I live with here. That's not really like work. If you have legal questions that you think I can help you with, feel free to give me a call. There's no charge for the call. It's a free consultation. I would be happy to sit down, talk with you, get to know you, see what we can do.
Travis Miller, attorney.